want to talk about Namkeen Queens. They believe in keeping tradition alive, one delicious bite at a time. The brand is all about the warmth of Ma Kakana, or mother's cooking. The owner of this business, she is definitely a foodie, but she's not so much a cook. She wanted a business that had to do, with delicious food. She loves going to eat. She was eating different kinds of food. She kind of uses the culinary legacy of her mother-in-law, who was a master chef in their family. She really had all these great recipes and everything. She embodies culinary talent. And since the owner of this company loves to eat but didn't really cook much, she wanted to share her mother-in-law's culinary magic with the rest of the world. And so that is how Namkeen Queens came to be and how this box came to be. And I think it is such a great, so you can see they've got this beautiful design, very sleek. They have one delicious bite at a time. Their website on the side. Back here, by combining the art of snack faking with sustainability, we empower women artisans, preserve our rich heritage, and build lasting connections between cultures. Together, we're not just sharing snacks, we're sharing a piece of our heritage, making the world a smaller, tastier place, one delicious bite at a time. And they've got their social media handle here. Now, one thing I love about this is that they say the art of snack making with sustainability. That is actually one reason that Namkeen Queens uses BoxUp boxes, is because BoxUp boxes are made with at least 50% recycled material already, and they are also 100% recyclable regardless of the print job on them. So no matter how many colors or pictures or anything like that you put on there, they are 100% recyclable. So they said that was one reason that they chose BoxUp, is because we really line up with them as far as eco-friendliness. So they really do care about their environmental friendliness, which we love that here at BoxUp. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so we can see what the inside looks like here. Okay, so as soon as you open it up, I love how they've done the inside of this. It's got these little blurbs everywhere about snacks. So it's super cute, and also just a great pop of color from the outside. Then whenever you go to the inside, it's this bright orange. So I love color pops like that on our boxes. And then on the inside, they have this brown crinkle paper to protect their product, which is beautiful. Once again, very environmentally sustainable. It's very eco-friendly, recyclable. And you can also get this craft brown crinkle paper at BoxUp. So you can kind of one-stop shop to get your box and your crinkle paper. But they have all of their authentic Indian snacks in here. And I love that they've used these tins instead of a plastic container or something like that. Like I said, you can tell they're very much environmentally friendly. So they have these reusable tins that keep their snacks instead, and it also protects them while in shipping and everything. So it's a very smart move. I love that from them. You can see they've got all of this nice packaging here, their authentic Indian snacks, and all of it is well protected in these tins with the crinkle paper and their BoxUp box. And I think that this is just so beautiful, but you can check them out. It says right there at the Namkeen Queens or namkeenqueens.com. And like I said, I think this box is also just beautiful. I love the vibrancy of the colors. I'm so thankful that you guys sent that over. Happy Women's History Month, and check out all of these women-owned businesses if you haven't already.